Get your shit fixed. Oh yeah, you're blue screening, right? Hello, booty. What time is it for you guys? Why are you not going in? Tell me why. $5 a.m. Holy. Alright. I have a feeling the JTS cable is maybe? I don't know. Yeah, this is not going down at all. No. I'm trying to open it. Did I say JTS again? Sorry. It's like, once I get used to saying something a certain way, it's hard for me to, like, correct myself. Ah! 2:08 a.m. Oh! It's also 2:08 a.m. for me. Okay, what's going on here? Oh yeah, it was the cable. Cable, Lou? You need to stay out of the way. Cable, you need to go this side. Stop griefing me. Cable, please. So I have to put it down when I screw it because of the silicone piece thing right here. The LED silicone piece. Just show you guys what I mean. So because of this piece right here, because there's nothing holding it in place. So I essentially have to do this. I kind of want to fix this. Okay, if we pull it like that, and then if we push it down. Okay, cool. I do the two sides to secure it, and then I do the other two sides to secure it.